Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here. Yes, we are chilling in the floor because today we are doing a declutter video. Yes, I've already done a declutter of my eyeshadow palettes, which you all seem to love. So I figured, you know what, let's keep it going because yeah, I need to clean anyway. And today we are decluttering my lip gloss collection, which I found out has basically multiplied and multiplied and multiplied. Yeah, I'm almost kind of like, what happened here? Yeah, we have a lot of lip glosses. So yeah, we're going to get into it. First things first, there is no lipstick of the day because we are giving chapstick today. Fragrance of the day is Bond No. 9's Greenwich Village. So yes, we're basic, but we still smell luxe always. Again, Bond No. 9 Greenwich Village is your fragrance of the day. And like last time, I do have my big old purple bin filled with glosses. So yeah, we're gonna have a good time here. Okay, they're a little noisy. So we're gonna go through this box together, and whatever actually makes the cut goes in my cosmetic company store bag that I'm just using as a way to be able to carry this stuff back upstairs to where it belongs. So that's how we're gonna do things today. So yeah, let's get to decluttering. First up, we have a NYX Butter Gloss. This is Berry Strudel. I remember these. When it comes to glosses, you always have to smell them to make sure they haven't gone bad. Okay, this is still good, so we're going to keep it. Let's see, we have a Juvia's Place Bronze Rose. I purchased this one not too long ago, so we're going to keep it. Okay, this butter gloss is very gray, so we are not going to keep this one. This was Cinnamon Roll. These Vivid Hot Lacquers from Maybelline. This was the shade Royal. These things were very goopy, and they used to get all up in my creases, so I'm about to get rid of this one. Okay, we have MAC Viva Glam Ariana Grande. Let's smell it. All right, smells kind of weird, so we're gonna let this one go. Pure Fiction from MAC. This one looks very separated. Okay, doesn't smell bad, we'll keep it. Next up we have Impassioned. I remember this lip gloss collection. I love the lipstick. Okay, still good, we're gonna keep it. Juvia's Place, this is Sis, purchased not too long ago, and I still love that one. We have another NYX Butter Gloss. Okay, this one is still good, and it's a pretty hot pink color as the package shows. Ooh, this looks really bad. Okay, this is turning, I don't even have to look at this. This is MAC Carousel. Yeah, this is turning colors. We are not keeping that. That is a hazard waiting to happen. Ooh, this one looks interesting too. This is Viva Glam Nikki. Oh, I remember this collection. Doesn't smell bad. Okay, I'll hold on to it. Especially this was a real collectible. Ooh, I love this one. This was the NYX Butter Gloss. This was the shade Peanut Brittle. This is a staple for me. Love that one. Okay, this is a MAC Boys Go Crazy Dazzle Glass. Let's check the smell on these. Okay, still good. We're going to keep it because this would be pretty for fall. Fenty Honey Waffles. Y'all know I wear that all the time. That's an automatic yes. MAC Heroin Lip Glass. Let's smell it. Still good. Then we have NYX Butter Gloss. Okay, I really love these back in the day. This is Sorbet. Let me check the smell. Still smells good. We're going to keep Sorbet. Okay, this is Pink Nouveau. I can't believe MAC discontinued this color. This was Nicki Minaj's staple pink color before she came out with Pink Friday and all of that. Still good. She used to mix Pink Nouveau and Snob, just FYI. That was her signature combo. Okay, this is a lip topper. This is from Jouer. And I really don't wear metallic lip toppers, so I'm gonna let that go. All right. Ooh, Get Rich Quick from MAC, a Dazzle Glass. This is a staple. I love this. Good. It still smells good, so we're gonna keep it. Ooh, I remember these Maybelline glosses. This is Nude Illusion, the Elixir collection. Let me check the smell. That smells kind of chemically. We're gonna let that go, but I still like the color. I never wear this little thing, so from Juvia's Place, this is Shakura, and yeah, I'm not gonna keep that. Again, Vivid Lacquers, Vivid Hot Lacquers from Maybelline. These are very thick, so I'm letting those go as a collective. This is the shade Snob from MAC, this lip gloss. Okay, this one is almost at the end of its life, so I'll go ahead and finish that out. Next up, we have this Maybelline gloss. Let me smell this one. Okay, this one still smells fine, so I'll keep it. Okay, then we have another mini from Juvia's Place. This is Petty Betty. Don't really do minis, so I'm gonna let that go. Fenty cream gloss. This is Mob Wives. I love this one still to this day. Okay, NYX butter gloss. This is Rocky Road. It's nice. It's a true chocolate color, and it's hard to find true brown glosses, so we're definitely keeping that one. Juvia's Place Bronze Sugar, purchased not too long ago, so we're keeping it. You can never have enough clear gloss. This is XXX from NARS. Yes. Next up we have, ooh, this is all types of separated. This is a Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline. This is Unreal, and you're going in the trash. Ooh, this is Domestic Diva. I remember getting this in gratis when I was a MAC artist. Not really crazy about the color, so I'm gonna let it go. This was the MAC Viva Glam Taraji P. Henson collection. I wore the crap out of this. It's still good, so I'm gonna keep it because, okay, bronze glosses are just brown girl friendly. Oh, I remember I was sent this from a subscriber. This is a Chanel gloss. This is the shade, let's see, Rouge Cocoa Gloss. I don't know what shade this is, but yeah, it's, oh, 768, that's the number. That's just sexy, and I mean, it's Chanel, so we're keeping it. Again, another topper. I don't wear these from Juvier, so this is going bye-bye. Then we have a vinyl from, this is a lip vinyl oil, well, lip vinyl, what's this called? Lip lacquer, lip vinyl lip lacquer from NARS. This was their Orgasm. This was a limited edition collection. I still like this. And it comes in handy at the correct time, so I will be keeping it. Vivid Hot Lacquer. This red is called Classic. It was really pretty, but again, it is just too thick. Same with this fuchsia color. Sassy. Let me tell y'all something. Maybelline really did some lip products in their day for its drugstore. They're my all-time favorite drugstore lip brand. Undisputed. We have another Viva Glam Nikki. This was a newer one. I remember finding this one at a cosmetic company store. Yeah, so we're definitely keeping that. That's a collectible. Okay, this is an old gloss. Okay, this looks really, really beat up. This is Opera, because it's a true blue-based, like oxblood type of red color. Oh good, it's still great. I can keep it because I love this shade of red. Next up, we have Viva Glam Miley Cyrus. This is the pink one. I don't reach for this, so you know what? We're gonna part ways with it. Another lip topper, Tan Lines from Juvier. I just don't do the metallic thing. I can't do it. Another Vivid Hot Lacquer. I hate I bought so many of these. Terrible. This is the shade Retro. It's going bye-bye. And we have another one, Vivid Hot Lacquer. This is Too Cute. I'm such a collector. Vivid Hot Lacquer. This is Obsessed. Getting rid of that too. Ooh, this is a real good one. Viva Glam Rihanna 2. This was such a short-lived collection. It was such a weird collection, but it was insanely good for those that got it. Obsessed. Please still be good. Okay, so still good. We are in business. Next up, we have Kiss Me from my Juvia's Place. Let me tell y'all something. I really enjoy Juvia's Place with glosses. That's why they are newer to the collection. This is the shade Glimmer Glass Bling Black. This is very old. This is before Dazzle Glass was a thing, so I know I'm getting rid of this. Next up, we have Intense Butter Gloss. This is the shade Banana Split. Let me smell this one. All right, I'm gonna keep it. Oh, this one's on the last line. This is Moth to Flame MAC Dazzle Glass. Really obsessed with this color. We're keeping it. All right, this is Softly Lit Cream Sheen Lip Glass. I actually wore this the other day, so I know this one is still good, so we're gonna keep it. This is the Lip Glass Sin from MAC, which I absolutely adore the lipstick, so when they had a gloss, I had to get it. Still good. So this will be a staple come the fall. All right. Oh, this pink is so pretty. This is Petal Blush from Maybelline. Let that go. Kind of suspect there. Another Maybelline gloss, Vivid Lacquer. This is this deep teal color. It's called Major, so I'm definitely letting this go. I don't even wear the colorful lipsticks anymore like I used to. Then of course we have Fenty Gloss, which is this original Fenty Glow, so we're definitely keeping it. I remember I got this in gratis from MAC. This is Vamplify, not really my type of pink, so we're letting it go. MAC Riri, the infamous Riri collection back from almost 10 years ago now. So I'm keeping this one just for collector's purposes, and I love this red to this day. Another Vivid Lacquer from Maybelline. Oh my goodness, this is Stay Lit, letting it go. Another NYX Intense Butter Gloss. This was the shade Chocolate Apple. This color is so pretty in the fall because it's a brownie red. This collection was a gem with NYX, just saying. Next we have Primordial, which is a uber nude type of color. Let me smell it. Okay, this one got a little more wear in it, but in about 6 months I'm gonna have to get rid of it. But yes, it's a MAC lip gloss for the record. Okay, next we have Ablaze. I remember getting this shade from MAC in gratis. I'll keep it, it's still summer. Next one we have is Viva Glam Miley Cyrus 2, the Hot Orange edition. Okay, this is still good, and I like a good orange lip from here and there, time to time. We'll keep it. Next we have Vision and Violet from Maybelline, which is basically that heroin type of purple. Since I actually have MAC heroin, I don't need a duplicate of it, so yeah, we're gonna let this go. This is one of my absolute top 5 favorite lip glosses from MAC. This is Oyster Girl, so yes, I'm keeping it. Next up we have Intense Butter Gloss. This is the shade Apple Crisp, which is a true blue based red. Y'all know I love those, so we're keeping it. Next up we have a MAC color, oh, Pink Lemonade. This was my summer color when I was in college. I always bought a tube of this in May, and I would wear it all summer long and need a new one by the end of the year. So MAC Pink Lemonade. I gotta wear you just for old time's sake, and luckily you haven't gone bad, so we're gonna keep it. This one is still in the package. This is the iconic lip lacquer. This is the gloss from Color Rain. This is Cherry Blossom. If you know, Cherry Blossom is my all-time undisputed top red lip color ever. So when they made the gloss, I had to get it, and yeah, it's still in the box. Next up we have, this is Nude. This came out in the MAC Nikki collection, and I remember wearing the crap out of this gloss. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and finish it out because I got a little bit more left in it. Another Jouer topper. I remember I found all these at Marshall's TJ, so I got them at a discount, but yeah. No, bye. Next up, we have this NARS Bound color. I'm not crazy about the formula, so I'm gonna let it go. We have another clear gloss. This is from LA Colors. I mean, you never have enough clear gloss, so I'm keeping it. Next up, Intense Butter Gloss. This is the shade Black Cherry Tart. Very pretty in the fall. We'll be rocking out again. MAC Clear Gloss, yeah. Then we have MAC Purr in a mini lip gloss formula. Still good. Purr is one of those effortless, easy, pinky nude colors, so yes, I'm keeping it. Okay, y'all, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the gloss. This is the shade Amber. I hate their formula, so I'm letting this go. Next up we have, this is a Dazzle Glass from MAC. This is Dressed to Dazzle. Very, very pretty for that taupey nude vibe. Fall color vibes for sure. Still's good, so we're going to keep it. This is an AJ Crimson. Is this like a gloss? I couldn't really figure it out because I think it's supposed to be a liquid lipstick, but it felt like a gloss. So for that reason, I'm gonna let it go because I can't figure it out. Next up, Juvia's Place Caramel Rose. Yes, told y'all, obsessed with Juvia's Place's glosses. Obsessed. Next up, we have MAC Leche Luxe. This is an oldie but goodie. Okay, still good, and a very pretty summery fruit punch type of color. MAC Candy Yum Yum. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it, and it's still good. Then we have MAC Viva Glam Gaga. Okay, I know this is old. I know this is old. It hasn't gone bad, so you know what, we're gonna keep it. Viva Glam Gaga lip gloss. Next up, we have a Pro Longwear gloss. I hate the formula of this from MAC. Their Pro Longwear glosses were very sticky, so I'm letting this go. Next up, we have NYX Intense Butter Gloss. And yeah, this is Orange Sickle. Oh, I used to love Orange Sickle. See, this is why you go through your stash. You discover things you used to love. Another butter gloss. This is the shade Napoleon. I'm telling y'all, NYX used to really knock it out the park. Next up, we have Radiant Raspberry. Very fruit punch type of color. Kind of a little suspect there, so I'm gonna let it go. This is NARS Swing. Again, not a fan of this formulation, so I'm letting this ride. Okay, this is MAC Steel Kiss. It's a little bit too gray for me, so I'm letting it go. We have MAC. This is Oxblood, which is a nudie color. I actually wore this last week. Yeah, we still gonna keep you. It's pretty. Then we have MAC Stay Sweet. Okay, wait, this is really separating. I'm letting it go. That looks horrible. I'm letting it go. Next up, we have Dazzle Glass by MAC. This is Stop Look. Check that out. Okay, I barely wear this one. This is like practically brand new. Is this why you go through your stash? Oh, oldie but goodie, MAC Saint Germain. I recently got a new tube of lipstick in this shade. Okay, this is that Pepto-Bismol uber pale pink, but it is so pretty with a deep liner. This is Butter Gloss from NYX. This is Blueberry Tart. And this thing is very blue, so I'm gonna let it go because I just don't rock blue lipstick like that anymore. Okay, this is a MAC color. I think this was Desire because the name has come off, but it's pretty. Yep, we're gonna keep it for fall. This is MAC Dreamy. Oh, I used to wear the crap out of Dreamy. Very effortless lip color. My Lip But Better. I'm glad it has not gone bad. Ooh, we have Love Nectar. Love Nectar. Back when we had the luster glasses. That smells a little funny. I'm gonna let you go. And you look up and your lips be tingling. Then we have MAC Cultured. Okay, still good. We'll keep it. Then we have, this is MAC Dive Bar. This color is very unique and I'm not ready to give it up yet, so I'm gonna keep it. As long as it hasn't gone bad. Okay, it has not gone bad. We have Maybelline. This is Mandarin Rupture. Okay. Yeah, I'm not crazy about it. I don't need it. I'm gonna let it go. Last two glosses are from MAC, y'all. So the last one we have is Memphis. This was another college staple color for me. Okay, this still works. And then we have Viva Glam 2 Ariana Grande. Let's see, it's a very dark mauve color. And it's still good. I'll keep it. So yeah, that wraps up my lip gloss declutter. I feel really good. I'm getting rid of a lot of things and I'm keeping the things I know I'm actually going to use, and most importantly, I know what I have in my inventory now. Like, that's the purpose of doing these declutters. Out with the stuff you don't use. Is just taking up space and creating junk and clutter in your life, and then you just keep the things you actually really want to use and the things that really make you happy. So I'm enjoying this journey, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Els, are you doing any declutters as well? What products are you decluttering? What are you finding out? What are some trends you're noticing in your own declutters? I love to hear about it in the comments below. Until next time, I'll catch y'all next video. Bye, y'all.